The unanswered question that shapes our lives. Have you ever paused amid the chaos of life and asked yourself, who am I? This is not just a philosophical puzzle, but a fundamental question that has driven sages, scientists, and seekers for centuries. In a world constantly demanding our attention, where identities are shaped by careers, relationships, and social expectations, how often do we explore the essence of our being? From the boardrooms of corporate America to the serene monasteries of the East, the search for self-identity remains universal. But what if the answer is not found in external labels, but in the quiet depths of our own consciousness? In this journey, we will unravel the layers of identity, explore profound insights from both ancient wisdom and modern science, and walk through personal stories that illuminate the path to self-discovery. Prepare to embark on an exploration that might just change the way you perceive yourself forever. Chapter 1. Are you your body, mind, or something more? From the moment we are born, we are identified by physical characteristics. A baby is admired for their tiny hands, bright eyes, and the resemblance they bear to their parents. As we grow, we become conscious of our body's form, treating it as our primary identity. But is that truly who we are? Let's test this assumption. If you say, "My body hurts," or "My hand is sore," who is the I that possesses the body? If your body were the essence of you, would you not say, "I am body," instead of "I have a body"? Similarly, consider your thoughts and emotions. Every day, your mind is flooded with new ideas, worries, and feelings. Some thoughts linger while others vanish as quickly as they appear. If your thoughts were truly you, then your identity would be in a constant state of flux, forever changing. But deep down, do you not feel that there is something constant, something unchanging within you? Emotions, too, are fleeting. One moment you may feel joyful, the next moment sadness takes over. If your emotions define you, then who were you before a particular emotion arose, and who are you once it fades away? This leads to a profound realization. You are not your emotions, for they come and go, but you remain. Philosophers and spiritual teachers alike have long emphasized this distinction. The Bhagavad Gita states, "You are not this body, not this mind, you are the eternal soul." Ancient wisdom suggests that the true self is something deeper, an observer, a witness beyond the temporary fluctuations of the body and mind. Imagine a vast, open sky. Clouds may pass through it, sometimes white and fluffy, sometimes dark and stormy, but the sky itself remains unchanged. In the same way, thoughts, emotions, and even physical changes occur, but your true self remains constant beneath it all. So if you are not just your body, and not just your mind, then who are you? This question, when explored deeply, can be a gateway to profound self-discovery. To begin answering it, we must delve into the deeper aspects of our consciousness, something we will explore in the following chapters. Chapter 2. A Story of Awakening. The sage's realization. Centuries ago, in a remote Himalayan village, there lived a young sage named Rohan. From an early age, he questioned life's deeper meanings. Who am I beyond this name, this face, and these emotions? He often asked his elders. Unsatisfied with their answers, he retreated to the mountains in search of truth. For years, he meditated in solitude, but clarity eluded him. One day, as he observed a river flowing past him, he had a revelation. The river changes its course, its currents shift, and yet it remains the river. Likewise, he realized that though his body aged and his thoughts evolved, there was an unchanging essence within him, the observer, the conscious witness. This story isn't unique to Rohan. It's a realization available to all of us if we look beyond the surface of our existence. Chapter 3. Science Meets Spirituality. The consciousness debate. Modern neuroscience has begun to explore a question that ancient sages have pondered for millennia. Is consciousness separate from the body? Some scientists argue that consciousness is merely a byproduct of brain activity. However, numerous near-death experiences, meditation studies, and quantum theories suggest that awareness may exist beyond the physical realm. Neuroscientists have identified a phenomenon called meta-awareness, where individuals can observe their thoughts objectively, much like a spectator at a play. This aligns with ancient teachings that describe the self as distinct from thoughts and emotions. If consciousness is beyond the body, does that mean we continue existing after death? This question has been the foundation of countless religious and philosophical discussions. Whether or not we accept the notion of an eternal soul, one thing is clear: by tapping into this awareness, we can live with greater peace and purpose. Chapter 4. Practical Steps to Self-Discovery. Self-discovery is a journey that requires commitment and conscious effort. It is not about finding a singular answer, but about developing a deeper awareness of who you truly are beyond external influences. Below are practical steps to help guide you towards self-awareness and a more profound sense of self. 1. Daily reflection. Cultivating inner awareness. Begin each morning with a moment of silence before engaging with the world. Avoid checking your phone or social media immediately after waking up. Ask yourself, who am I beyond my roles and responsibilities? What defines me at my core? Reflect on your past experiences, beliefs, and emotional responses. Are they truly yours, or have they been shaped by external influences? Journaling can help organize these reflections. Write down your thoughts and review them weekly to identify patterns and changes in your perception of self. 2. Meditation. Observing. The observer meditation is a powerful tool to detach from the constant stream of thoughts and connect with your deeper consciousness. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. As thoughts arise, observe them without attachment. Recognize that you are not your thoughts, you are the observer of your thoughts. Guided meditations or mantra-based techniques such as repeating "Who am I?" internally can be helpful in deepening self-awareness. Over time, increase your meditation duration to experience a deeper sense of stillness and clarity. 3. Question your identity regularly throughout the day. Ask yourself, who am I when I am not my job, my relationships, or my achievements? When faced with stress or emotional challenges, take a step back and observe, am I reacting from conditioned patterns, or am I responding from my true self? Develop the habit of detaching from temporary identities and seeing yourself as the unchanging consciousness beneath all experiences. 4. Engage in self-discovery. Activitious read books on philosophy, consciousness, and personal growth. For example, The Untethered Soul by Michael A. Singer or The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Try creative expression. Painting, writing, or playing music can be ways to explore your inner self beyond rational thought. Spend time in nature, which has a grounding effect and helps clear mental clutter, allowing for deeper introspection. 5. Deepen connections with like-minded people. Engage in conversations with individuals who are also exploring self-awareness. Join meditation or philosophical discussion groups. Listening to others' perspectives on self-discovery can open new dimensions of thought and reflection. Surround yourself with people who encourage you to question, explore, and expand your understanding of self. 6. Let go of external validation. Society often conditions us to seek approval from others, but true self-discovery comes from within. Practice doing things just for yourself, without the need for external recognition or validation. Let go of comparisons and the need to fit into predefined roles. Instead, embrace your unique journey. 7. Practice mindfulness in daily life, being present in everyday activities, whether eating, walking, or listening, enhances self-awareness. Notice how you react in different situations. Observe your emotions and thoughts as they arise and question whether they align with your true self. The more you live in the present, the more you connect with your authentic self beyond past conditioning and future anxieties. Chapter 5. The Transformation. When you truly know yourself, imagine a person who has spent their life chasing achievements, only to feel empty despite their success. Now, imagine another individual who has tapped into their deeper self-awareness. They navigate life's challenges with calmness, unaffected by external chaos. Which life would you rather live? The Bhagavad Gita states, "You are not this body, not this mind, you are the eternal soul." When we embrace this perspective, life's ups and downs become less daunting. We see beyond temporary suffering and experience a deeper sense of fulfillment. Conclusion: your journey begins now. Self-discovery is not a destination, but a lifelong journey. Whether through meditation, scientific exploration, or personal introspection, the quest for who am I will lead you to profound realizations. As you continue this journey, remember, true understanding comes not from seeking outward validation, but from looking within. Are you ready to embark on this path? The answers await within you.